In the presence of Almighty God, in the presence of my God, He restores all things and makes them new. In the presence of my God, He leads me down His paths of peace, calling me friend along the way. His heart revealed in songs of trust. In the secret place we stay. In the presence of Almighty God, every sorrow is undone. In the presence of my God, all things new, all things begun. In the presence of my God. Wisdom's voice cry out, telling me what's true, right and just. I choose her counsel above all else. In this holy place of trust, to see Him high, bride calling Him home, to see the nations bow before His throne. This gives purpose to my soul. In the presence of Almighty God, every sorrow is in the presence of my God, all things new, all things begun. In the presence of my God, better is one day near your heart than 1,000 anywhere apart. Blessed are those who find their strength in you, Zion set before their view. In the presence of Almighty God, every sorrow is undone. In the presence of my God, all things new, all things begun. In the presence of my God, in the presence of my God. In the presence of Almighty God, in the presence of my God, He restores all things and makes them new. In the presence of my God, He leads me down His paths of peace, calling me friend along the way. His heart revealed in songs of trust. In the secret place we stay, in the presence of Almighty God. Every sorrow is undone. In the presence of my God, all things new, all things begun. In the presence of my God.
I hear wisdom's voice cry out, telling me what's true, right, and just. I choose her counsel above all else. In this holy place of trust, to see Him high and lifted up, to see His bride calling Him home, to see the nations bow before His throne. This gives purpose to my soul.
In the presence of Almighty God, every sorrow is undone. In the presence of my God, all things new, all things begun. In the presence of my God. Better is one day near your heart than 1,000 anywhere apart. Blessed are those who find their strength in you. Zion set before their view. In the presence of Almighty God, every sorrow